Did you know Vizi has been in the printing business for over 50 years? Based in Warminster, PA, we've helped businesses throughout the years with hassle-free, flexible, and high-quality printing solutions. But did you know we do so much more than just printing? From direct mail custom apparel, and warehousing and fulfillment. We have a vast offering of capabilities and services for your business. At Vizi, we stay ahead of our clients' needs, leading the industry with our wide range of capabilities. Call us at 215-441-4444 or visit ViziRocks.com to find out how we'll help your business succeed. Our amazing and dedicated staff is ready to assist with making each project successful.